Anyway, guys, this is Samana Peace and Wasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Friday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Didn't Samka watch the show before marrying Musam Salek? When we were watching with in December from season 1 to season 7, what Samke was doing, guys? I'm so confused. So, Samke, guys, she has resigned. Musam Salek made Samke to resign from work, guys. Umayini, she's working. Utobile, she's working. Umangwabe, she's working. And Yena decided to resign. Don't you ask yourself why Umayini she's working? If Musam Salek was rich, don't you think Umayini was also going to resign, or Utobile she's going to stop making money? Because we all know that we find out on 10 and 10 season 7 when Musam Salek ran out of money, Utobile she's the one who will come and cover the bills. So now it makes sense why Umusam Seleke he was so angry to Tobile Mseleko, because Tobile was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna support Usamke financially. She needs to work. Usamke, she's still young, guys, so she can go and get a job. Besides being a baby and make a baby machine, Usamke she's also resigned from work, guys. You know, in the way Umusam Seleke, I feel like Umusam Seleke is no longer have money. You can see that Mzumbe. Usamke, she came at the wrong time, guys. I really feel sorry for Samke, guys. The people are saying about her, she can still go back and look for a job. There's no need for her to resign because of Musam Saleko, guys. Yesterday, when you turn on December, season 9, episode 4, she was like, can you please increase my allowance? And Musam Saleko was like, before I can increase your allowance, you need to make more baby, guys. And making more baby, you're not working, your husband is not financially stable. What is going on, Lapana Saleko, guys? It is also alleged that Usamke she's pregnant for the second baby. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment.